Hey everyone, Allie Vogt with Blanchard Insurance, back again, this time with a word of caution to realtors out there. Mike, do you want to tell us about the real estate E&O claims that you saw happening today?
Yeah, Allie, we actually had two come in today that bring up a fraud, kind of, in my opinion, which is a fraud ring that was going on about 2 years ago. And it really involves, and a lot of Central Florida realtors probably remember this, about 2 years ago, there's about 48 companies that were sued for denying tenants with criminal records. Well, we're starting to see that activity pick up again. So, realtors representing property investors who are renting out these properties, such as property managers, and denying and asking questions and denying, rental coverage based on felonies. And usually these are in I would say lower income communities throughout here in Central Florida. And unfortunately, once they get you to say that, then they go ahead and start opening E&O claims against your insurance. And it's completely fraud. I mean, but again, what else is, there in Florida? And a lot of the people involved in these fraud rings are actually convicted felons themselves. So we started seeing that, we had two today come in, and I'm not sure if anything is going to happen with them, if they'll just be dismissed or settled outside of court or go to court. I have no idea, but it just kind of, I was like, wow, really? We're not over this now. So the word of caution is to, a lot of agents out there too, is to check your, insurance and take a look at it and make sure risk like this is covered. Because a lot of the policies over the years have actually gotten rid of a lot of this type of coverage, or they've modified their policy language, and so you may not even have coverage for it. So it's a good time to take a peek and see what you look at. Same thing with cyber insurance. I know we've talked about that in the past, but even cyber insurance policies that were attached to a business owner's policy, or even your E&O that may have been sold to you 5 or 10 years ago, it's probably not the same policy you bought, because times have changed, things have changed. So it's time to actually take it out and take a reviews. And by all means, send it over to us. We'll take a glance at it and look through it and make sure you are covered for instances like this, or ADA compliance and all that good stuff. So
Awesome. Thanks, Mike. So anyone out there who is a realtor who is a little concerned or just has any questions, feel free to reach out or send us your current policies. We'll do a full review, make sure you have the coverage you think you have, or we can write you a new policy with us to make sure that you're covered and ready for these kind of fraudulent activities that are happening lately. But anything else you'd like to add, Mike?
no, I just be safe out there, and protect yourselves, protect your clients, and just keep an eye out, on these types of fraud in Florida, because it's nothing new. It's going to be around forever. There's always something new that's going on, and just keep your eye out for it. If it looks suspicious and question, give us a call. I mean, lots of the times we see this and see a lot more than the regular consumer does not see. So.
Yep. So we are here to help. Give us a call at 407-788-8640 or visit us at blanchardinsurance.com or call us directly. Our numbers are on the screen.
Thanks, Allie.
Thanks, Mike.